Guys, Rethink here. Today I'm going to shoot myself with this big gun. This is typical Josh's. This was going to be in a video, but it wasn't because we didn't do it. So I'm going to shoot me in the knee first. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh! Oh, that hurt. I'll see you when it's reloaded. Okay guys, it's round 2 for this big gun. I don't know how I'm going to shoot. Where should I shoot my next? In here? No. Maybe. Right. Let's shoot me right here. So, 3, 2, let's shoot my arm. 3, 2, 1. Oh, why did I keep? Why am I making this video? It's just painful. I'll see you when it's reloaded again. Sorry guys, it keeps me reloading. Okay guys, this is going to be the last final shot. And I don't know where should I shoot it. Am I? No, it's definitely not happening. In my chest. Should I? Nah. Wait, sorry about that guys. This should still work, pretty sure. So, 3, 2, we're shooting myself in the hand this time. 3, 2, 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me shooting myself in the knee, in my arm, and in my hand. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave a like down below and subscribe. And leave a comment, any random thing like anything. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys! Bye!